पणजेचे चारूय सिव्हिल आणि क्रिमिनल कोर्ट पाटो प्लाझा पणजे हांगा स्पेसीस ह्या नव्या इमारतीत स्थलांतरीत केल्ल्यान बुधवारा पणजेचे आदवोगादांनी कोर्टाच्या कामकाजाचेर बहिष्कार घालो। बुधवारा सकाळी 10 वरांचेर न्यायालयात आयल्या उपरांत कोर्टाचे कामकाज पाटो इमारतीत स्थलांतरीत केला असो आदेश करपी नोटीस मेळ्ळ्या उपरांत बेजार जाल्ल्या आदवोगादांनी न्यायालया भायर रावन कामकाजाचेर बहिष्कार घालो। आदी कसली सुचोवणी न दिता सकाळी फुडें कामकाज स्थलांतर जाला अशी नोटीस वाचपाक मेळ्ळी म्हण आदवोगादांनी नाराजगी उक्तायल्या।
Informing the lawyers that from tomorrow, that is today, at 10 o'clock, all the courts A, B, C, and D would function at Pato in Spaces building. So we were very much shocked and surprised, and that was not the way to treat us like this.
We as Panjim lawyers are today assembled here to strongly condemn the manner in which the principal district judge has late last evening at 5:30 issued an order that the courts will be shifted today. This manner of shifting the courts all of a sudden is very contrary to the order passed by the Honorable High Court that the Advocates Association and the advocates should be informed well in advance. We need to condemn the order issued by the principal district judge treating the advocates and the litigants in this manner. This order is highly condemnable, and judges should realize that advocates are part of the system, and advocates cannot be treated as dirt the manner in which they have done.
एका वर्सा खातीर सरकार ह्या इमारतीचे भाडे 5 कोटी घेता तातूंत घोटाळो आसा असो आरोपूय तांच्यांनी केला।
So we have already decided that we are not going to the Spaces building, and as we all know, the Spaces building is a very controversial building. The whole building was leased for 5 crores a year in a very fraudulent manner, and that building is not meant to house courts.
पणजे पाट्यार कोयराचो प्लांट आसा तशेंच थंय पार्किंगाचोय त्रास आसा अशें समाज वावुरपी एडवोकेट आयरिश रॉड्रिगीस हांणी पत्रकारां कडेन उलयतना सांगलां।
We have opposed the shifting for various reasons.
Government is not taking a
because we have also pointed out to the Bombay High Court in the petition that next to the High Court there is a garbage plant. Besides that, there is also parking problems there, and that building is not because the district court is here, and it is very convenient for the lawyers to be housed here.
IDEX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मुनोली।